Okay guys, back on the Trestle bridge. This time I'm getting all the scenery ready for before I pour the water down. As you can see, the dock's in, and in the corner there I've got me fine sand, and also there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put cattails in those areas, which are these, which is from MP Sceneries products. And this is what they look like, if you can see them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue all that fine sand, and when it's wet I should be able to put these in. Well, that's the plan anyway. So I'll go ahead and glue all the sand, and hopefully the cattails will stand up. And also from MP Scenery products again, I have field grass, light green, which I'm going to cut down and sort of make them look like reeds, which will be mixed in with the cattails. So I have the light green, and sorry for the mess, and I also have field grass, natural brown. So I'm going to mix them together and also put them in with the cattails. Okay guys, I'm about to put the glue on the fine dirt, and I'll soak it just so it gets nice and wet, just enough so me cattails can stand in it. And hopefully it works. Now I'm using the glue from Woodland Scenics. And I'm going to put the cattails in now, and hopefully they'll stand upright, like so. And I've got a few of these. So I don't know how many I'm going to put in, but I'll play it by ear, or by eye, and hopefully they fit in. So I'll go ahead and put them all in, and hopefully it looks good when you see it. Okay guys, cattails are all in now. I'm just going to add some field grass, as weeds, as I said before. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay guys, all the grass has been put down now. with the cattails. Bit of a mixture there, and also there. So my next job now is I'm gonna static grass this area. Now I brought the 6mm grass. Now it seems to be a bit too high for this part of the layout, so I'm going back to the Woodland Scenics static grass, which is about 2 to 3mm. So I'll go ahead and do that now. The static grass I'm using, guys, is I'm mixing burnt grass and medium grass. Okay guys, I'm going to put the static grass on now. I've just glued it all where I'm going to put it. Just put the clip on. And hopefully it works. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and finish it all, just so you can see it at the end. Okay guys, just finished the static grass. Just give you a bit of a close-up. And up where the dirt road goes, I'll still be putting dirt, like a little park area. So that's what she looks like now. So I'll let that dry and see what she looks like. I might have to add some more. Okay guys, we just put the more glue down. This is for the fine gravel, and I'll put it down. And this is like for parking cars, or just a bit different to the roadway. So I'll keep going. Well, it's nearly finished, but I'll keep going and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, that part's finished now. So just got to wait for the static grass to dry out. So I'll show you the next part shortly.